Glowing Wonders of Nature. 10 Jaw-Dropping Facts About Bioluminescence. Have you ever seen a creature that glows in the dark? Nature is full of living night lights, from glowing mushrooms to deep-sea predators with built-in flashlights. Get ready for 10 jaw-dropping facts about bioluminescence that will leave you glowing with curiosity. Fact number 1. Fireflies use Morse code-like signals. Ever wondered why fireflies blink? Each species has its own unique light pattern, like a secret Morse code to attract mates. But some sneaky fireflies fake signals to lure in prey. Talk about playing dirty in the dating game. Fact number 2. The ocean's twilight zone glows. Dive deep enough, and you'll find an alien-like world where 90% of animals glow. Anglerfish, jellyfish, and even tiny siphonophores use bioluminescence to hunt, hide, and communicate in the pitch-black abyss. Fact number 3. Glowing mushrooms exist. Yes, mushrooms can glow. The eerie greenish glow of fungi like Mycena chlorophyos helps attract insects that spread their spores. Imagine walking through a dark forest and seeing a glowing fairy tale-like scene. Fact number 4. Dinoflagellates, the glowing plankton. Ever seen the ocean sparkle at night? Tiny plankton called dinoflagellates light up when disturbed, creating magical glowing waves. Kayaking or swimming in these bioluminescent waters is like moving through liquid stardust. Fact number 5. Some sharks have glow-in-the-dark skin. Meet the lantern shark, a deep-sea ninja. These sharks use light-producing organs to camouflage against the dim ocean light, making them nearly invisible to predators. Who knew sharks had built-in invisibility cloaks? Fact number 6. The railroad worm has a red stoplight. Unlike most glowing creatures, the railroad worm has a red light on its head and green lights along its body. This makes it look like a tiny, crawling traffic signal, warning predators, "Back off, I'm toxic." Fact number 7. Glowing scorpions under UV light. Scorpions aren't bioluminescent, but they glow neon blue-green under UV light. Scientists still aren't sure why, but one theory suggests it helps them detect moonlight and avoid predators. Either way, they look insanely cool. Fact number 8. Bioluminescence helps squid go invisible. The Hawaiian bobtail squid teams up with glowing bacteria to hide its shadow from predators below. This living glow-in-the-dark cloak makes it almost completely invisible in moonlit waters. Now, that's next-level camouflage. Fact number 9. Vampire squid uses glowing mucus. Instead of ink, the vampire squid releases a cloud of glowing, sticky mucus to confuse predators. Imagine throwing a glowing smoke bomb and vanishing into the darkness. Stealth mode activated. Fact number 10. There's a glow-in-the-dark millipede. The Motixia millipede glows bluish-green to warn predators that it's highly toxic. It doesn't need to run. It just lights up like a danger sign. If only humans could glow when we're in a bad mood. And that's it. 10 incredible facts about nature's living glow sticks. Which one amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you love mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome discoveries. Thanks for watching, and keep glowing.